Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about the single ingredient face mask or one ingredient face mask. You can use this on their own or then mix it up with other ingredients and then apply it on your skin. These are natural, good for your skin and super easy to find, so make sure you check that out. And it has many amazing skin benefits that we're going to be talking about throughout the video. Not going in depth but just on a brief note. Make sure you cleanse and scrub your face before applying the mask. And make sure you're not allergic to anything that you're putting on your face. Do a patch test and let's get started. Okay, so the first ingredient is yogurt or curd. This works best if it's plain and unflavored. This helps to add moisture, brightens up your skin, evens out your skin tone, reverses age spot, increases elasticity, reduces fine lines and wrinkles, helps to fight acne, has anti-inflammatory effects. You just have to take it in a bowl, whisk it a little and then apply it on your skin and leave it on for 15 minutes. Don't whisk it too watery because it won't stay on your skin, it'll start dripping off. And yeah, that's all. The next ingredient is honey. You can use raw honey or manuka honey. It helps to treat dry skin, prevents and treats wrinkles, restores the upper layer of your skin. It helps to balance the bacteria on your skin, making it a great product to use for acne. Just apply honey on your skin, leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse it off. The next ingredient is aloe vera. Aloe vera is my holy grail ingredient, best for your hair, for your skin, for your body on the whole. But talking only for the skincare and for your face, it's really great known for sun remedy. It helps to treat acne. It's a great moisturizer to use on dry skin. It absorbs quickly into the skin, so it's also a great option for oily skin as well. It's always best to use natural aloe vera. Just break it from the plant, rinse it off, make sure to remove the sap before applying. And then once you get the piece, you're gonna cut off the sides because it can prick your skin. I used a knife and then chop it in between so that it comes out into two different parts. And then you can use a knife or a spoon to remove the gel from the leaf and then put it into a bowl for further use. Spread the gel on the face and the neck. Leave it on for about 15 minutes and then rinse off with lukewarm water. Next ingredient is a banana. Banana helps to hydrate and moisturize dry skin. So just take up a medium-sized banana and mash it up into a smooth paste. Apply this on your face and neck. Make sure to avoid your eye and mouth area. Let it sit for about 10 to 20 minutes and then rinse it off with cold water. Almond oil. It has been used for centuries to treat dry skin conditions. It helps to improve acne. It improves cell turnover, reverses some damage. Massage it onto the skin and leave it on, either overnight or even for a while, however long works for your skin. And then make sure to rinse it off. The last ingredient is milk. I am sorry I couldn't get a chance to film this, but I hope you all don't mind. Milk reduces pigmentation, heals dry skin, hydrates your skin, heals acne and helps relieve sunburn. It's also great for acne-prone skin. But make sure to use raw milk. Dab raw milk onto your face using a clean cotton ball. Allow it to sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. Don't move while your mask is drying because it can cause fine lines. And then wash it off with cold water and that's it, you're done. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, know that you're loved, and make sure you're staying tuned for more skincare related videos that are coming up. Like, share and comment and subscribe if you haven't already. Take care. Bye bye.